If towing seems intimidating,
We're looking out for you.
Infiniti offers a range of accessories to meet your towing needs. Whether it's Class 2, Class 3, or Class 4, the right hitch is key. Let's talk about Class 3. The question is, how to? It starts with how you look at it. When positioning the hitch ball in front of the trailer, the around view monitor can help you line them up. Once you've backed it up, you can lower it down. Then latch it and lock it with the cotter pin. Remember to retract your jack foot. Towing 101. Safety. Always cross your chains, so they'll catch the trailer if things get disconnected. The last step in connecting your trailer is hooking up the lights. You'll either have a 4-pin connector or a 7-pin connector that can activate your trailer brakes.
Tap the brakes. Let's see if we're lit.
I don't even have to be in the car for that.
Oh yeah, we are lit.
Finally, do a quick walk around to make sure that you're ready. Now you know how to tow. Keep watching for more how-tos and check out the accessory store online to go big on what you can bring.